Hello everyone, and it's the Whiskey Lizard here with another vintage fan video. Today we got an uncommon 1963 through about 65 aqua blue General Electric Rollabout 3-speed non-reversible fan. This one's in pretty good original condition. We touched up the grills a little bit because they had some rust on them, but the rest of it is all original. As you can see, I'll flip it over to the other side, back side there. Yeah, it's a very powerful fan. It pushes out a lot of air. General Electric was known for their window and box fans, very high quality. Well, let's put this thing on and see what it does. We'll start it off on a low. Yeah, these old GEs take a little while to get running. That's what I like about them. They're a slow starter. Now medium. Now high. This one here, it has the cap over the hub of the blade, which is more on their deluxe model, into the off position. If you like old vintage fans like these, come check out my website at fansofthepast.com. That's fansofthepast.com, where we have fans for sale. We do fan restorations, fan detailing. We have vintage fan pictures and vintage fan videos. That's fansofthepast.com. Winding down now. Well, that's all for now. See you next time. So long, everybody.